Okay, this is day 18, dose 35, dose 35. Um, and we 210.6. So like I said, I want to be down to around 100 110, 109 by the weekend, so I'm already there, and it's Friday. So um, yeah, I think after this phase, I should be close to um, getting to be in the 100s, high 100s, 198, 199. So right now, I think after this phase, I'll be down there, and then the next phase, I'll be done. So I think one more phase, I'll be done, which would be 45 days on the diet. So anyway, let me take my dose, and I got lots of work to do this weekend around the house, CNC stuff like that. So get all this, get this dose out of the way and get going. All right, there we go. So, dose 35 out of the way. So, every dose is one dose closer to being finished. You get that halfway point, then you're all downhill. So, the cravings are gone. Where you're just craving food, it kind of goes away, and the physical craving goes away. So anyway, I will be back tonight for dose 36.